The first time I used it was amazing. Basically, I used this to send money back to Mexico to my family. I discovered that there were no fees, that was super fast. And as I told you before, in less than 5 minutes, my money is there. Super expensive systems and companies like, I don't know if I can say brands, but like Western Union or Remitly are gonna disappear. There are hidden commissions, there are many issues, and even scams. With Ripple, all is transparent. I love it, and it's the future.
He must love you mucho, knowing that you showed him how to save your family a lot of money.
Yeah, of course.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with Patrick, my Lyft driver. We just left the Bitcoin conference and he shared some very interesting things. How he uses XRP to send his family in Mexico cash cross border. Patrick, thanks for joining me today, sir. Most importantly, thanks for giving me a ride. How you doing?
Fine, thank you. Thank you, Ray. Yes, I'm a XRP fan. I discover how efficient is this system. I'm not a professional like you, but I can tell you that I've been using Ripple for some years now. It's a big coincidence because I understand how in general the cryptocurrencies works, the mining and all of this like general information, and I found that Ripple was super fast and easy to use. The first time I used it was amazing. Basically, I used this to send money back to Mexico to my family. I discovered that there were no fees. That was super fast, and as I told you before, in less than 5 minutes, my money is there, like ready to use. I understand the only thing is the exchange rate. When I convert my dollars here to Ripple, and then I made the transfer to my wallet or my family wallets in Mexico, and they changed the Ripple to the Mexican peso. It's amazing.
Yeah.
As I told you, I'm really sure that in the future, all of these super expensive systems and companies like, I don't know if I can say brands, but like Western Union or Remitly are going to disappear. It's the future. The future is here. Ripple is helping us. I'm happy. It's easy to track, and that's all. And even just to let you know, even in Mexico, we work with this company Bitso. I have and my family have a debit card, and imagine in 5 minutes they can pay with their card in Mexican pesos with a great exchange rate and no commissions.
Wow.
It's the future.
Now, can I ask you how often you're using these systems or XRP to send money cross border? I believe you mentioned that you use Coinbase on the U.S. side to send it to your family members, and they receive it in their Bitso wallet.
Correct. At least 2 or 3 times a month. Okay, and yeah, but I can do it every day if I want. It's so easy to use. It's so efficient, and it's free.
Just say your parents, how easy or how difficult was it to educate them on these new payment systems?
Yes, I made it. Like I helped them to understand how it was. Bitso, it's a regulated company in Mexico. You just need to provide like all the information they ask you, like your tax number, whatever in Mexico, and it's not more complicated than to open a bank account. I send money to my father regularly. It was so easy, and yeah, now it's I just send a screenshot, and he knows that in some seconds, not even minutes, the money or the Ripple, and he makes the conversion to Mexican peso.
He must love you mucho, knowing that you showed him how to save your family a lot of money.
Yeah, of course, because before we were using like the traditional systems, like I told you, Western Union or whatever, and oh my God, the exchange rate is terrible. There are hidden commissions, there are many issues, and even scams. With Ripple, all is transparent. I love it, and it's the future.
I know you said you were familiar that the XRP Las Vegas conference is going on this week. Ripple's CEO or C-suite team are going to be present. If you had the opportunity to talk to them, what would you say to Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO, or David Schwartz, the Chief Technology Officer who created the XRPL?
First of all, to say thank you. I think this is helping not only me, like many people in the world. And then my one question: how they make profit? I don't understand. I don't understand. It's for free.
Because it costs less than a penny to send your money cross border, is what you're saying?
Exactly. It's like if it's incredible how, for me it's almost free, you know, it's like compared to the big commissions, and would be nice to hear how they make money.
Brad Garlinghouse, how are you so rich, sir? Just kidding.
Exactly.
Patrick, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for sharing your time with me. Thank you, for, more importantly, for getting me here to the MGM Grand, where the XRP Las Vegas conference will be hosted for the next 2 days, May 30th and May 31st. Any closing remarks before I let you go?
No, I just invite all your followers to continue following Ripple. As you know, Ripple is growing. The I think more people is gonna get involved, and it's a future. I have an idea. I'm gonna put my QR code to my wallet here for my tips on Ripple.
That's a great
Yes.
idea.
Yes.
And you know what? Maybe I'll copy that QR code in this video.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Thank you.
Hey, Patrick, appreciate your time, sir. Thank you so much.